can all agree that every now and then we're given a task that just seems a little bit overwhelming. There are too many steps, we don't know how to get started, and it turns into a lot of procrastination. So in this case, we have Goblin Tools. This little magic to-do list uses the power of AI to break down that large task into more easily manageable subtasks for you to click off and feel like you're getting closer to the end result of the large task you were given. So in this case, I want to show you how to use this with students who maybe you give an assignment or you ask them to get busy and they just sit and stare off in space because they just don't know how to get started. So in this case, I'm going to put in complete math assignment, which is just a relatively, standard operating procedure for the school day. Over here to the right, you have some chili peppers. You can click on that, and how much breaking down do you need? I'm just going to leave it at the standard in the middle, and we're going to see what we get. When we click on the plus sign, it will add it to our to-do list, and it's pretty underwhelming at this point. It doesn't really do a whole lot until you go over here to the magic pencil and you break down the item. So once you click on the breakdown item, it will work and break down this task into subtasks. Now at this point, I don't really think I need this many subtasks for a math assignment. So I can remove subtasks. I can edit subtasks. Maybe this is an awful lot of reading for a student whenever they are feeling overwhelmed just by given the math assignment. Now this becomes even more overwhelming. So I can quickly go in here and I can say edit, and I can say read directions. Gather all necessary materials and resources. So maybe I can just say gather materials, and then maybe even put in a subtask here of, I'm going to say these are complete. I'm going to do a subtask and say pencil, and then I could maybe put in Chromebook, worksheet, graph paper, whatever it is that they need to gather, and have that a little bit easier. Now, again, you have the ability to edit these. You can remove them over here on the side. You can add subtasks. You also have the ability to move these around. So if there is something that is not quite in the order you would like to see it, you can grab these and drop them where you want them. And then when you're completely finished, I suggest taking a screenshot of this, and then you can either save it as an image and upload it to Google Classroom with the assignment that you've given to the student if you use digital assignments, or just print it out and have it available. If it's not something you want to give to a student every single day, you could print it out on a piece of cardstock and laminate it, and then have them use a dry erase marker to be able to mark this off every single day. So Goblin Tools and the magic to-do list could be something to help your students get started when they're feeling stuck.